Hey everyone, I am in Spanish Trails community. It's a country club, guard-gated area, and it's west towards of Las Vegas, of course. And I'm here at this 17,000 square foot house, the 2,300 square foot guest house. And this is going to be listed just under 7 million. Check it out. Before we go in, this house has a lot of great features, also has a lot of potential. So let's go inside and take a look and I'll show you around. Through the front entrance, you see the stairs going up to the rooms upstairs. It's split up. The left side is going to be entertainment purposes, and then the right side of this house is going to be living quarters. This is the middle of the house. You'll see high ceilings, huge windows. This is facing the golf course, but we have bushes and trees for privacy purposes. So the master suite is to the left, separated by this bridge to go over to the other side of the living quarters. So starting from downstairs on the west wing, we are entering their study area. So beautiful features. You got the big windows here, great for entertainment, studying, quiet time, whatever you want to use it for. Entering the formal dining area, we have beautiful double French doors this way. Nice chandelier. It's a great space. Let's go upstairs and check out the living quarters before we come back down to look at the kitchen. But first, gotta take off my shoes. Let's go. Coming up the stairs, we're gonna turn left into the living quarters, and man, check out this hallway. All right, so now we're halfway through the hallway. We have 5 bedrooms with 4 full baths. One's a Jack and Jill, and then the rest have their own bathrooms. So coming down from the second set of stairs, we are here on the east side, bottom floor, 6 bedrooms used for like staffing quarters, office, etc. So now going into the kitchen, we have beautiful stone countertops, designer cooktop, built-in fridge, lots of cabinet space. So back then, this was more of an entertainment room. Now they're using it just a meeting room, nice quiet area. Coming out from the entertainment room, west wing, we're gonna go through and we have a covered patio area. Lots of privacy, built-in grill, and then to the left side, you will see the swimming pool. All right, now we are entering a 2,300 square foot guest house. This window room out here used to be a hot tub. There were some history to this, so those of you that's been around for a while will recognize this. So now we're back upstairs towards the west wing, walking across the bridge, and we're going into the master suite. The master suite is 2,000 square foot in here. We got the bathrooms over there. the study room over there. Nice open space. Of course, all these windows, you can see the golf course.